So today we'll be looking at browser use, which is a library that allows us to automate actions in the browser using a browser. So here you can see that I'm using browser use. So as you can see in the URL, there are step-by-step instructions on how you can set it up in your local environment. So today we'll be going ahead and trying a hands-on demo of how this can be done. Alright, so first of all, you need Python version 3.11 as you can see on the first instruction, that is to install Python 3.11. And I'm going to try and install it in my command line, right? So I think I don't have UV. There are multiple ways to do this, right? You don't have to follow each and every step on how to install Python 3.11. But UV is a tool that, if you have Windows PowerShell, you can easily install various dependencies and packages, especially Python and its dependencies, right? So here I'll go ahead and just run this command, right? And this will install UV on my local machine. And as you can see, UVVNV Python 3.11 is installed. And I want to activate the virtual environment, right, at this point. And that is really straightforward to do. And here I can just do uv pip install browser use. So as you can see, I'm just speeding forward the installation process because it doesn't matter. You can follow the same steps, and you have to install Playwright. So Playwright is something, it's a package, Python package, which we'll see that in a second. We will need some packages inside of Playwright, which enables a lot of things to get done easier. And here, let me copy the repository URL from this repo. I'll leave all the links to this in the description below. So here, let me go ahead and clone this repository. So here, let me do git clone repo URL, enter, and it will clone into browser-use folder. And let me cd into it, cd browser use, and code space dot to open VS Code. And here you can see that there are a bunch of folders which you don't need to get all the details of. There's just one main folder and one file, which is the .env file. So for this, we need the key of either OpenAI or Claude, right? So I personally have OpenAI key, not the free one. I recharged it for like $5. You will need to recharge it to make use of, to send requests. I don't think there's a free tier available anymore. So make sure to recharge OpenAI and copy the key. Sorry, I have a bad throat today. And let me name this key as something like browser use and create key. And once you have this key, copy this key, go back to VS Code and paste it in the OpenAI API key value. Okay. And there were some issues with regards to how these templates are fetching the key from the .env file. I found a workaround which I will show you, which is to directly inject the key when the OpenAI, when the model is defined inside of each and every template. That's how I got it to work, because I don't know what was wrong in the background, or so yeah, this is like a pre-recorded video. I'm not doing it live, just so you guys know. So these are the various templates that we can use. Each template has its own, it's like a demo, but you can have a custom template and tell the browser to do custom things, right? We will not be getting into custom browser automation in this video. We'll be automating a simple task to open 3 tabs, right? 3 tabs with, each different personality. So here, open it in integrated terminal. So as you can see here, I have defined the model as GPT-4o mini, and API key I have hard coded in this file because it was not picking up the key from the .env file, right? So not sure why that's happening. I'll try to fix it in the next video. So the task is to open 3 tabs with Elon Musk, Trump, and Steve Jobs. Then go back and go back to the first step, right? That's the task I have given to this agent, and let's see how this agent is performing the task. And we are using OpenAI's API key to perform this task. So Python multi-tab handling.py. So it's running it, and yep, the browser just got opened, which is great. and you can see first tab opened, Elon Musk. As you can see, I am doing nothing, right? As you can see in the cursor. So here in the terminal, you can see that the step 1, step 2, step 3 is being printed out. So second tab opened, Donald Trump. Third tab also opened, Steve Jobs, right? I don't know why it's not going to the first tab. Let's see. Okay, went to the first tab. Great. Great, that's great. So this is a simple task of how you can automate things using the browsers. There are a lot more advanced use cases for this, which is beyond the scope of this video. So if you like to see another advanced video of browser automation, leave a link in the comments. And if you like to help me out, please hit the subscribe button and share this with your friends. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.